how to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest the right way. If you're an affiliate marketer or just starting with Amazon Associates, this step-by-step guide will help you drive traffic and boost your commissions using Pinterest. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So first, we need to head over to the Amazon Associates website. To do that, just type Amazon Associates into Google or go directly to this URL. Once you're on the site, you'll see that you can recommend any product from Amazon and earn commissions whenever someone makes a purchase through your link. If we scroll down a bit, you'll see the basic steps. You sign up, you recommend products, and you can earn up to 10% in commissions on each sale. Now, to get started, simply click the Sign Up button at the top. This will take you through the process of creating your Amazon Associates account. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name and address, enter your website or blog so Amazon can review it, and fill out a few more details in the profile section. Once that's done, you're officially part of the Amazon Associates program. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. If you're new, this is where you'll see your performance stats, including clicks, conversions, and earnings. Now let's talk about how to promote products. You don't have to do this from within the Amazon Associates dashboard. Instead, you can promote directly from the regular Amazon.com site. Once you're approved and logged in, you'll notice a gray site stripe bar at the top of every Amazon page. This is your affiliate toolbar, and it allows you to grab your unique affiliate links directly from any product page on Amazon. Now, once you're on a specific product page on Amazon, you can grab your affiliate link using the gray site stripe bar at the top. Just copy that link, and anyone who clicks and buys the product through it can earn you up to 10% in commission. Now, since we're promoting this on Pinterest, we'll need some content to go along with the link, either a Pinterest image or a short video. The easiest way to create this content is by using Canva.com. Once you're on Canva, go to the search bar and type in Pinterest. You'll see several template options. Click on Pinterest Pin to open a collection of designs. There are over 10,000 templates, and you can filter by free templates using the options on the left-hand side. Sometimes Canva shows paid templates, but don't worry, you'll find plenty of free ones to work with. Choose a template that matches your Pinterest theme, or create one from scratch. In this example, I'm keeping it simple. I'll go back to Amazon, right-click on the product image, and choose Save Image As to download it. Then back in Canva, just drag and drop the image into your design. It will automatically snap into place on the pin, making it easy to create a clean and professional-looking visual. Now that we've added the product image to our pin, we can start customizing it. You can delete any unwanted text by simply selecting it and hitting the Delete key. I'm going to remove this lower text box, move the header bar up a bit, and adjust the remaining text to make it more centered and visually appealing. I'll also increase the font size slightly for better visibility. Once you're happy with how your pin looks, remember, it doesn't need to be perfect for this example. You can go ahead and click Share in the top right corner. Then select Download, choose PNG format, and download your design to your computer. Now it's time to upload this pin to Pinterest. You'll need a Pinterest account, and ideally, your profile should have a consistent niche or theme. I'll be using a tutorial account for this example. So head to your Pinterest homepage and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Once you're on your profile, click the plus icon and select Pin. This opens the pin editor where you can add a title, upload your image by dragging the PNG file we just downloaded from Canva, and most importantly, add your destination link. This destination link will be your Amazon affiliate link. To get it, go back to your Amazon product page, make sure you're logged in with your Associates account, click Get Link, choose text, and copy the shortened version of the link. Paste that into the destination link field on Pinterest, and you're ready to publish your pin. Next, go back to Pinterest and paste your affiliate link into the destination link field. Write a unique and engaging description. something that highlights the value of the product. Don't forget to include relevant hashtags to help your pin get discovered. After that, click the option to create a new board. Once you've created the board, click Save to publish your pin. And that's it. Your pin is now live on your profile. When someone finds your pin, clicks on it, and gets redirected to Amazon, they'll land directly on the product page. If they go ahead and purchase the product, say this one priced at $101, you could earn around $7 to $10 in commission, depending on the product category. And that's how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest safely and effectively. With just a bit of content creation and smart linking, you can turn simple pins into a source of passive income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more affiliate marketing tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.